Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore AWS SNS topics after accidental subscriptions removal. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore AWS SNS topics after accidental subscription removals, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon SNS dashboard from the Services menu. Locate the Topics section on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Select the topic you want to restore the subscriptions for. In the Topic Details page, scroll down to the Subscriptions section. Review the list of current subscriptions to confirm which ones have been removed. If you know the endpoints of the removed subscriptions, proceed to the next step. Click on the Create Subscription button. In the subscription form, select the protocol that matches your original subscriptions. Enter the endpoint information that corresponds to the removed subscriptions. Click on the Create Subscription button to save the new subscription. To verify that the subscriptions are working, navigate back to the Subscriptions section. Check for the newly created subscriptions to ensure they appear in the list. You may want to test the topic by publishing a message to confirm that all endpoints are receiving the notifications. If any subscriptions need additional configuration, you can edit them from the subscription list. Repeat these steps for any other SNS topics that require subscription restoration. You have now successfully restored your accidental subscription removals in AWS SNS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.